Alright, Chris and his... No, I have not. It sounds, woohoo!
Okay, I gotta learn to fly all over this thing.
Yeah. No more gyro trouble either. Oh.
Nope.
That thing sounds so cool.
It does.
Big blade.
Those are the 550s, Chris?
Yep.
Excellent. Yes, sir. His skills are improving exponentially, or whatever expo. How do you pronounce expo? Exponentially. I thought my video film skills had improved. They hadn't. It was my imagination. Whoa! What was that? Bet you can't do it again. Yes, sir. Oh, yeah. Hang time.
Very smooth.
It is. That sim time paying off, isn't it, Chris?
Yes, sir. Got a little bit of power, doesn't it?
There's something about the bigger helicopter.
I know.
Look at that.
Damn it, that's right. I can't fly my 500. I wanted to. Hell, I didn't think I was going to be able to fly at all today. More funnel action there. You know what? The last time I watched you do that, it freaked out.
Yep.
Oh yeah. Man, you were so frustrated at one point. You were talking about getting rid of the Swift. I don't think you need to now. Woo!
Nice.
Hang time, baby.
Yes, sir. That's I don't think I've ever seen you hang it that high. Excellent.
Gotta have long arms.
Yes, sir.